Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Hoing Mamba Tools. Thank you for coming to today's broadcast. Managing an Instagram account is easy, but what if you need to manage 50, 100, even 500 accounts for business, marketing, or growth purposes? Doing it manually is a nightmare. That's why we created MKT Insta, Mass Instagram Account Cultivation. Most businesses face the same problems. Logging in and posting manually takes hours. Accounts get locked if they look suspicious. Can't scale beyond a few accounts manually. And when accounts are deleted, you lose time, money, and data. With MKT Insta, you can manage hundreds of Instagram accounts at once. The software simulates human-like activities: browsing feeds and stories, liking and commenting, following and unfollowing, auto-posting content, direct messaging. It's all automatic, and it all looks completely natural. Now I'll show you how it works. Since this is just a demo video, I'll run a few accounts first. If you want to see the full and most detailed view, please contact me. The implementation is very simple. Step 1. Import your Instagram account into MKT Insta. Step 2. Specify a proxy for secure and unique login. Step 3. Set up management tasks: likes, comments, follows, story views, posts. Step 4. Run the system. MKT Insta automatically rotates activities between accounts 24/7. With Instagram Mass Nurturing, you get save hundreds of hours of manual work. Keep your accounts active and trusted over the long term. Reduce bans by mimicking natural behavior. Run marketing campaigns at scale. Build unlimited traffic channels and audiences. Grow your business faster than ever before. As you can see, dozens of accounts are active right now, engaging naturally. This makes them safe, trustworthy, and ready for campaigns, whether for sales, branding, or growth. If you want to manage thousands of Instagram accounts at scale, safely and effectively without limits, try MKT Instagram Account Nurturing today. Click the link below in the description to see a demo, or contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp to see how powerful this feature is. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, please give me a like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.